How to apply for a BRP card for a newborn baby. Apply for a BRP card for your newborn if you plan to travel outside the UK. The process can be done either in the UK or your home country. Understanding the requirement. You don't need a BRP card unless you plan to travel abroad, as it's needed to re-enter the UK. There is no legal requirement to apply for a BRP if staying within the UK. Application process. You can apply for the BRP either from the UK or your home country. Applying from the UK might be easier if you're staying until you get indefinite leave to remain (ILR). Travel considerations. Ensure your newborn has the necessary documentation to re-enter the UK, such as a visa or entry clearance. Be prepared for possible delays, as processing may take weeks. For more details, check the official UK government website or consult the EU Settlement Resolution Centre. That's it. Thanks for watching.